Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check your MAC address of your HUAWEI Nova Pro 13 using your IMEI number of your phone. So first, find your IMEI address in your settings of your device. It will be in the About Phone section, and enter the imei.info website using your browser or in your laptop or computer on your phone, and type or paste your IMEI number. Here you will see some basic info about your phone, and also, as you can see, the MAC address check. So let's just tap on this. And here you'll have to enter your MAC address. So let me enter it now. Okay, so we have the MAC address right now, so let me type it in. And as you can see, we have the information about the MAC address right here, and you can check it with your own phone. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.